a beautiful chest. Yep, I'm not joking. You're gonna be seeing me unbox a beautiful chest. See this. Look, it's only, if you do like that, it's turns into like some card things. So I have to choose Whipping or Queen Boom. Which is the most hardest choice? How do I choose? It's really hard. I don't know what to choose. I did actually press collect all by accident. Oh my god. What should I pick, yo? Let's pick. Yes, I picked you. You again, boy. You again. This is amazing. I'm sharing this. Thank you. Wow. Also, look at Rebels versus Guardians, yo. I did 22 contribution. 100,000. They're still on the 50,000s, man. Oh, you're far behind, man. Somebody, what you mean? Also, if any of you want to duo me, my ID. Oh wait, let me give you my friend ID. What's my friend ID? This is my friend ID. Also, if you're Australian and you want to follow me, just go on the collective club and then go. You can see me somewhere. Like, and then goodbye, yos. Have a great day. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as hard as you can. Wait, is it impossible to hit it with your knuckles? Try to do it, but please do not break your knuckles.